बरु सिधा स्ट्रेट आउन सक्ने स्ट्रेट आउनु मजाले फेरि यही एङ्गलमा अरू सबै गर्नु हुन्छ है यो चाहिँ जसरी त्यसलाई राखेको छ ठ्याक्कै A to Z डिटो बनाइदिन्छु
A very warm good afternoon to one and all of you. A very warm and hearty welcome to our DCM, Dr. Ajay Kumar, who gave us the opportunity to invite him to grace this occasion. I am deeply accepting to launch our product, even though we are a startup company. I am honored. I welcome Mr. Rajendra Malla, Senior Vice President, Nepal Chamber of Commerce. I welcome Mr. Tejendra Nath Shrestha, IP President, Restaurant and Bar Association Nepal. I welcome Mr. Subrata Banerjee, General Manager, Hotel Radisson Kathmandu. I welcome our esteemed guests, who are all from the hospitality industry. Trust they can appreciate the impact of our product and hopefully would join hands with us in the near future. Looking forward to it. I welcome the press and the media and everybody who is witnessing this launch online. A very warm good afternoon. Success is going from failure to failure without a loss of enthusiasm. This has been told by a quote by Winston Churchill. That is what I had all through the years starting from 2010. We started this company, the video platform company, in 2010, and we had a lot of challenges. Only the passion towards this business made me to think out of the box and deliver the results. The company has experienced various difficulties in the past 8 years since its establishment. However, each day we overcame them, we acquired further wisdom and knowledge, and the company has now grown to the point where we shall be able to overcome any challenges. We are the first company in India to launch video resume services, a video resume portal in 2010, where we connected job seekers to companies. Like instead of sending a text resume to a company, and the company spends a lot of time seeing the text resumes, and when they call for an interview, the person doesn't match with the CV what he has sent. So, a lot of time consuming stage is involved in the recruitment process. So we thought, how do we overcome this challenge? And that is how we launched the video resume services back in 2010. But it was too early for the Indian market, and we had many challenges, as you had seen in the AV on the introduction of our company. Later, we revamped in 2015, and then we did that as an application, and it was welcomed by many colleges for the campus placements. And using the same video platform, now we have launched the video review portal. Actually, how this video review portal came into our mind was, it all happened. I am from Chennai, India, the southern part of India. Like 5 years back, I was admitted in a hospital called Apollo, and I was there for a week. So once the day when I was going to be discharged, the morning, the PR manager came with the cameraman to my room. I said, I'm hospitalized and I'm recovered and I'm going to discharge from the hospital. Why come these people have come with the camera? So then the PR manager told me, sir, we want to have your feedback on our hospital, our services, how the treatment was given by the doctors, how you were treated all through the day when you were staying with us. So they felt the reviews of the customers is very important. So from that day onwards, I was thinking like, okay, reviews were much important. How do we do this in our platform? Since we had our platform, the video platform, it was very easy for us to develop an application. Then in 2018, Review Clip was born. We launched the service back in Doha, Qatar, on March 18th, last month, and April 18th, we are here in Nepal to launch the same services. Somehow the date got synchronized. It was not planned. We were planning to have the launch in Nepal on April 12th, but because of many challenges, it was shifted to April 18th. And we are looking forward to have a launch in countries like Kenya, Malaysia, Singapore, and Bangladesh in the coming months. So, every business today, any business or brand, they need reviews. even people, they want to go for dining tonight. They see the reviews of the restaurant and then only they want to go for the restaurant. They want to buy a mobile phone, they want to buy a laptop, whatever it is, even if you are traveling outside the country, then they see the reviews of the hotel, then only they want to just make their final decisions. So reviews plays a very major role in any kind of a business, be it a brand or a business. So there is a review site called TripAdvisor. You all are from the hospitality industry, you might be knowing that. So the same like TripAdvisor, it is a text review site. We have come up with the video reviews because videos plays a very, very major role in business, and it emotionally connects, because instead of seeing a text when you see a video, today everything has become a video. Like without video there is nothing. Even earlier when Facebook was launched, it was only text was posted in Facebook. But last 3-4 years you could see no text in Facebook. Everything is video. And millions of videos have been watched per day in YouTube. So people like to watch videos rather than going through a lengthy text or something. And video is very authentic. Text reviews is not like that. Okay, so you cannot fake in a video. It is the real person who is talking about the product. And the main thing is, instead of a company advertising themselves, if a customer is advertising about their product, sharing their experience about the product or the company, it makes more value. Always customers are our brand ambassadors. So I think this platform would really give you a support in branding yourself. The Visit Nepal 2020 is going to be hosted next year, and a lot of tourisms and tourists are being attracted. We are expecting, this country is expecting a lot of tourists. So this would be the right time. That is what we chose the next launch in Nepal, because we thought this would be the right time to launch it here. And your hotels and restaurants, your tours and travels, all your businesses can be advertised all through the globe. So I thank you very much for making this day happen. Thank you very much for, in your busy schedule, for attending this launch, and hope many of the customers would come forward to embrace the new technology to pull the switch from view to play. Thank you very much. Good evening.